Hi, Damon with Pro Chiller. Going to give you guys a tour of a quad 50 horsepower R448 chiller system that we're currently putting off the production line. We're over in our ship prep area right now. This is the main electrical control panel where we have our interface for the system, some indicator switches for some of our alarms. Inside, this is where we have electrical diagrams. Our main electrical power input is going to come in here. We've got our Pro Elliott gateway for the system, which is our industrial IoT platform. Coming around to this side, we have all of the electrical control panels open right now. Each unit individually packaged in a modular fashion onto a single frame. Compressor. All of our controls for the main, each compressor circuit are located in this main control panel. This system has our extreme low ambient package kit, which we insulate and run a heat tape on the receiver, and we run that based off of a pressure switch to maintain receiver pressure at all times. Up above on the system, you'll notice this system has our Pro Heat 2.0 heat recovery. These heat exchangers that are mounted in front of our air-cooled condensers, those are for the de-superheating for the heat recovery circuit. Down this way, this is where we have our Pro Heat 2.0 system, where we do our heat exchange from our de-superheated fluid over to our water system. So the customer will make their connections for water in and out here. We have some controls for our pumps. These are our process pump VFDs located here. We have two process pumps. Each one has an individual variable speed frequency drive. These are networked together and will lead, lag, and operate independently. Back in this area, we have our 2,000-gallon glycol storage reservoir with a sight tube to quickly be able to visualize what the fluid level is. Coming around to this side of the system, this just shows the back side of the reservoir with expansion ports to be able to add capacity or tie into another chiller module. Down around this side is you have some service access to the circulation pump, and then we also are able to get in and access evaporators. This is the filter strainer for our internal circulation loop. This we want to get access to here. We can remove this end piece. Look at that filter. We want to at least clean that filter monthly. Initially on startup, we're going to clean this more often. Probably on initial startup, every couple of hours, and then we can start backing off to each day to inspect it, and then as it stays clean, then we can go to a monthly periodic inspection. That brings us around to back to the front of the system, and I appreciate you taking this tour with me.